to let you buy.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hello?
Hi, my name's Todd. I'm just encouraging Bible reading this morning. It seems like you might not be home, so come back in a.
I, excuse me?
I was just coming with a Bible message, but if you're not at home or busy, I could come back another day.
Okay, thank you.
Ready? Good. Okay.
Be careful what you're leaving outside. Holidays are here, and these thieves are working around the clock. Don't forget about those other delivery options, PO boxes, delivery options, and pickup locations you can grab them from, just in case. Also, if you have a trusted neighbor or friend, have them grab your package for you.
Hey, what do you need? Hello? Hello? What do you need? Oh my God, babe, there's like someone at the office trying to break in.
Hello?
Yeah, open.
Who is it?
Open the door, please.
Huh? Huh? Hey, who is it? Hello, who is that? Is that your package?
Hey, sir. Hey. Hey. Hello. Hey. Hello.
Check this guy out. He's real bold. He robs a casino in Vegas. Wish I had more footage for you.
Package back. My package back. Oh my God. Look, porch pirate. Porch pirate. He tried to steal my package. Yes, I'm looking at him. He just threw it back right there.
Estos se fueron de paso. Se fueron de paso.
You need to leave the property.
Sorry,
Damn right.
I'm leaving.
Check this petty neighbor out. I guess he's upset about the trash cans blocking his driveway when they're really not blocking his driveway.
That's pretty anticlimactic. I'm going to light you on fire.
Looks like we were taken against our will and brought to a car meet.
Hey,
He might have a gun. Come here, Turner. You need your pistol? Go.
Sorry, I didn't think no one lived here. My bad.
What are you doing out
I
here?
didn't think no one lived here.
What?
I thought it was a show house. I'm sorry, man.
Get out of here. Don't go that way. Go this way. What are you coming back here for?
I thought it was a show house, man.
Show house on my ass.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Happy Thanksgiving. Please be safe out there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
The top lock. Take off the top.
Andate por abajo, para que voy. Estúpido, este hombre, hijo de puta, que está quedando pisado.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.